folks, welcome to another awesome episode of Oregon Motorcycle, coming to you straight out of Oregon City. And in today's episode, we're gonna make some life-changing decisions. Woohoo! Folks, if this is your first time tuning in, make sure to hit that subscribe button, because we're all about having a whole bunch of fun on motorcycles here in the Oregon Motorcycle Channel. I also mess around a little bit with my BMW, and I just got a Talaria Sting, which is totally rad. And I have subscriber goals. I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers. And I'm also trying to get a bunch of likes on my videos too. So if you guys like my videos, or you like this video in particular, make sure and hit that like button. It helps the algorithm. And if you guys want a little text message, notification, whatever, hit that bell. You know the routine, folks. Woohoo! Out here on a beautiful day. It's a Thursday afternoon. We are with the Eastsiders. Imagine that. And we're just out here having some fun, hitting some twisties, and all that good stuff. Trying out my new 360 cam. Ooh. And motorcyclist. Careful, careful. So I just got a new 360 cam that I'm totally stoked about. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the footage from that. Because I sure am. Alright. I think I'm disconnected from her, because I don't hear any more static or anything. So in today's videos, folks, I am proposing to my girlfriend Amy, who is totally awesome. She's by far the coolest girl that I've ever dated. Oh!
Have you ever seen someone climbing a tree?
Oh boy.
Oh no, I got fluid.
Here.
Oh no.
Let me get in there. But she's also like the coolest person that I know. She's like, if we weren't dating, like I'd want her to be my friend anyways, because she is like one of the nicest people. I swear, it's amazing. So living life with her is amazing, and I want to spend the rest of my life with that woman. So today I'm going to ask her to marry me. I bought a wedding ring, or an engagement ring, and all that good stuff. And so yeah, wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. Mills Park.
Here's your buddy.
Where? Kevin? Is he here?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet!
I saw it just last second and gave me just enough time to push on my foot. I didn't even see that.
So what I did see.
Yeah, exactly.
Like, ow, motherfucker!
The way
Hit that fucking dip, the sparks went like, pooh! Out underneath the bike, yeah.
That was a hell of a dip.
Yeah, there were some crazy dips.
Yeah, it didn't feel like that was happening. Or
no, Amy did.
Stop and you're going, I'm like, maybe he just was that bad.
I saw him hit it and I stood up and like went through it.
We got a Tuesday night ride announcement. Come on. Thursday night. No, Tuesday night. Mike's got an announcement tonight on Tuesday night ride.
Everybody here?
Everybody's here.
All right.
All right. Go ahead, my man. The floor is yours.
Amy,
Yes,
you know I love you with everything, and I want to spend the rest of my life with you. Amy Staples, will you marry me?
Yes. Of course I will. Aw.
All right. That's a first for Thursday night ride, I'd say.